Red flag indeed, so he will have to settle for silver medal, but a good competition from him.
And Piquereau then starts in lane 1 for France. 31 years old now, Piquereau, been around a long time, very experienced, very powerful, fast starter who wants to get out well. In lane 2, Maria Jose Mardomingo of Spain. 27 years old, Mardomingo, best of 8.08 and in the form of her life this winter, the Spanish indoor champion. 6-time Spanish champion outdoors. In lane 3, Monique Touré, former European outdoor champion over 100 hurdles, the 28-year-old, sister-in-law of one of our French commentators, Marc Maury. Won the match against Great Britain a couple of weeks back in Glasgow. Beside her, her teammate, Patricia Girard. She too fast starting, a very crisp, neat little hurdler. Only 163 tall, very short and compact indeed. She was 6th 2 years ago, but she's the European number 2 this year, and on paper is heading for a medal. Their greatest threat, though, Brigita Bukovec, a real powerhouse for Slovenian. 7.80, her best time. As I said, the second fastest in the world this year. She starts in lane 5, Bukovec, for Slovenia. Very fast outdoors, 12.75 last year over the full 100-meter hurdles. And then Karen Jung, the only German in this race, European number 3, 28 years old, has just dipped under 8 seconds this winter, Jung. Only 3rd at the German Indoor Championships, but has done very well to get this far. No British competitors in this event, incidentally, entered from the very beginning. So the final track event of the championships then. Piquereau in 1 for France, Mardomingo of Spain in 2, Touré for France in 3, then Girard completing that trio of French women, Bukovec in 5 for Slovenia, and Germany's Jung in lane 6. Good start from Girard, great start from Girard. She left Bukovec standing there in the blocks. Now the Slovenian's coming back, and she pours past her, or does she? Girard there just hanging on the run-in. My goodness, Bukovec, not sure what's happened there. Look at that, can't believe it. Had an appalling start. Well, the French coming up trumps, or did they? Touré there coming through late in the race, but it was all between Girard and Bukovec on the near side in lanes 4 and 5, so I thought. Steve, did you see it differently?
Well, she says, I've won. I'm not so sure. We'll have to wait to see. It was certainly very close on the line. What a cracking start Girard got. Really got out so fast that Bukovec was under pressure right from the start. Just watch this here. There she goes. Great pickup. Small, compact, gets the first hurdle first. A metre or so up Girard. Bukovec now trying to haul her back and does a good job of that. You have to say that. She didn't buckle. She just tried to get back into the race now. On the line here. I thought from this side Bukovec may have got it. Let's just see here. No, it's Girard. We're biased on this side. The official result has just come up. 1/100th of a second difference. Girard wins from Bukovec, and that is a popular victory indeed, and a surprise one.
We had to plumb for her. Our 2 French colleagues here on Eurosport sat beside us, both big blokes. That's a nice way for the French to round off the championships. Goals for them. Bukovec will be very disappointed.